I'm going to share some proven tips and techniques on how to flirt the right way and increase your chances of making someone fall for you. Flirting is an art, and when done correctly, it can be an incredibly powerful tool to attract your crush and take your relationship to the next level. 1. Make eye contact. One of the most effective flirting techniques is making strong eye contact. Look into their eyes, smile, and hold their gaze for a few seconds before looking away. This shows confidence and interest. However, be sure not to overdo it or make them uncomfortable. 2. Use open body language. Stand or sit with an open posture, facing them directly. Uncross your arms and legs to appear more approachable and receptive. Lean in slightly when they're talking to show you're engaged and interested in what they have to say. 3. Compliment them sincerely. Compliment them on something specific, like their smile, style, or a unique trait. But make sure your compliments are sincere and not superficial. Avoid commenting on their physical appearance too much, as it can come across as shallow. 4. Tease and banter. Engage in some playful teasing and banter. Gently poke fun at them in a light-hearted way, but be sure not to cross any lines or make them feel uncomfortable. Matching their energy and wit can create a fun, flirtatious dynamic. 5. Touch them lightly. Use light, casual touches to create a sense of physical connection, like a gentle tap on the arm or a playful nudge. But be mindful of their personal space and comfort level. Start with small touches and gauge their reaction before escalating.